In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently reprint checks using your accounting software, a handy skill to ensure you have all your financial documents in order. We'll go through this step by step, so don't worry if it seems a bit overwhelming at first. Once you're familiar with the process, you'll find it straightforward and easy to execute whenever you need. First, let's navigate to the starting point. Begin by opening your accounting software, and from the main dashboard, you'll want to locate the File menu. This is usually found at the top left of your screen and is the gateway to many key functions within the software. Click on File, and you'll see a drop-down menu. This menu is where we access various forms and tools related to document and form printing. Now look for the option titled Print Forms in the drop-down. This option usually manages the various forms that your business might need, like invoices, purchase orders, and of course checks. Click on Print Forms and a list of document types will appear. Here you'll want to choose Checks. Selecting Checks will direct you to a new screen specifically for handling check-related tasks. Once you've opened the Checks section, you'll be presented with a list of checks. These are checks that you've previously created and printed, but it's also where you can manage any that need reprinting. To proceed, you'll need to identify which checks you wish to reprint. Carefully scroll through the list and select each check that requires reprinting. You can typically do this by clicking boxes next to the check entries. This feature allows you to select multiple checks if necessary, which is particularly useful if you have several checks to reprint at once. With your checks selected, it's time to move on to printing. Look for the Print button, which often appears at the bottom or top of the checks window depending on your software version. Before clicking Print, if your software provides a preview option, it's good practice to preview the checks. This step allows you to double check that you've selected the correct documents and that all the information is displayed as expected, avoiding any mishaps when the documents are printed. After you're satisfied with the selection, click the Print button. Your checks will then be sent to the printer. Make sure your printer is loaded with the appropriate check paper and is ready to print. It's also important to verify that your printer settings are correct for printing checks. Sometimes these settings differ from standard document printing. And there you have it, a simple, streamlined process to reprint checks using your software. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your financial records are well maintained and easily accessible whenever needed. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your business finances efficiently.